वानी जो कि अपना लोग अपनी जान लगा रहे हैं।
Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome again. The target given by Kashmir United is 200 runs to Billy's Warriors. Very well lock played by the batsman Fadzur and also Shakir Ahmad Magri. Very well lock played here at Chukartulba ground. This is quarter final between the two teams. Billy's Warriors versus Kashmir United. Billy's Warriors win the toss and they give the batting to Kashmir United. Kashmir United played very well lock here and they give the target of 200 runs to Billy's Warriors. Now Shahid Wani on his bowling mark. The batsman is Saqib Pathan and Yasir Gojri. Here the two teams played a very good cricket at Chukartulba ground. This is a T20 under-19 tournament played at Chukar Kunzar Tulba ground. The two teams are Billy's Warriors versus Kashmir United. Billy's Warriors, they win the toss and they give the target of 200 runs to Billy's Warriors. Today very well knock played by the batsman Fahad Zoor and also well played by the batsman Shakir Ahmad Wani and also Sahil plays very well knock. He gives support with Fahad Zoor. Now the total target is 200 runs for Billy's Warriors. Can they stay in this match? Can they stay in this tournament? This will be seen in next. And this is a quarter final. The two teams who win this match, who team qualify for semi-finals. The two teams are Tangmarak Blues and Chukar Girgad Kalam. They are the two teams who also qualifies for semi-finals in this under-19 T20 tournament. आज यहाँ पे देखना होगा कि बिलीज वारियर्स कैसे खेल का मुजाहरा करेंगे क्योंकि एक ह्यूज टोटल है 200 रन इज द टोटल टारगेट फॉर बिलीज वारियर्स। यहाँ पे अच्छे खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा आज बिलीज वारियर्स के बैट्समैनों को। एक अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी यहाँ पे। सो शाहिद वानी इज द बॉलर for Kashmir United. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Saqib Pathan. This is a great delivery by Shahid Wani and first run come on board. Saqib Pathan opens his account with this single. The score for Billy's Warriors is 1 run and this is the first over of this second inning of this match between Billy's Warriors versus Kashmir United. The target is 200 runs. This is a huge total target here given by Kashmir United. Very well knock played by the batsman Fahad Zoor and Shakir Ahmad Magri and also Asif. Now Shahid Wani on his bowling mark to the batsman Yasir Gojri. This is a good shot played by the batsman Yasir Gojri. This is first ball for Billy's Warriors and Saqib Wani opens his account with this 4. Yasir Gojri opens his account with this 4. The score moves on 5. They need these kinds of shots, Billy's Warriors here. They need a partnership here if they want to stay in this match, in this tournament, because this is quarter final between the two teams, Billy's Warriors versus Kashmir United. This is a very huge total here given by Kashmir United to Billy's Warriors. Now Shahid Wani on his bowling mark to the batsman Yasir Gojri. This is another good shot played by the batsman Yasir Gojri and this is first 6 for Yasir Gojri and first 6 for Billy's Warriors. Very good shot played by the batsman Yasir Gojri. This is a huge 6. The score moves on 11 runs. The individual score for Yasir Gojri is 10 runs in just 2 deliveries. Billy's Warriors, they need these kinds of shots here if they want to stay in this match because they have a huge total here, 200 runs target here given by Kashmir United. Now they need 189 runs. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, और इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। और आप हमारे YouTube चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहां पे भी आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हैं। नाउ दिस इज great shot played by the batsman Yasir Gojri for his first six, and first six for Billy's Warriors। अगर यहाँ पे इस मैच में बने रहना होगा Billy's Warriors को, तो एक अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी यहाँ पे, क्योंकि एक बड़ा हज़फ दिया है यहाँ पे कश्मीर यूनाइटेड ने। 200 runs is the target for Billy's Warriors। This is a huge total given by Kashmir United. Very well knock played by Fahad Zohar, Shakir Ahmad Magri, and also Asif plays also very well knock of 19. Billy's Warriors, they need 10.80 runs per over. Can they stay in this match? Can they win this match? They need here huge shots like Yasir Gojri play, because they have a huge total 200 runs is the target। यहाँ पे अच्छे खेल का मुजाहरा करना होगा आज Billy's Warriors को। एक अच्छा हज़फ दिया है आज कश्मीर यूनाइटेड ने। यहाँ बॉल ही गुम हो गई। Now game starts again. This is Shahid Wani, is expensive on his first over. 1-4 and 1 huge 6 by Yasir Gojri. Here Billy's Warriors, they need these kinds of shots if they want to stay in this match, in this tournament, because they have a huge target here. 200 runs is the target for Billy's Warriors given by Kashmir United. Very well knock off 90 runs played by Fahad Zohar. Now Shahid Wani is very expensive in this one. He's on his bowling mark to the batsman Yasir Gojri. Oh, here is a chance, here is a chance, here is a chance. Oh no, this is missed. And the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 12. Here is not happy. The bowler is not happy here with his fielders, because there was the chance here and a chance of the player Yasir Gojri, but they lost this chance. Now they need a cool cricket here, Kashmir United. They need cool because they have a good target given here. Now Shahid Wani to the batsman Saqib. This is a good shot played by the batsman Saqib Pathan. This is 4 for Saqib and 4 for Billy's Warriors. This is an expensive over here by the bowler Shahid Wani. Now score moves on 16. 16 runs without any loss. This is the first over of this second evening between Billy's Warriors versus Kashmir United. Shahid Wani on his bowling mark to the batsman Saqib Pathan. Oh, here is another chance for that, and it is this is a 4 for Saqib Pathan. Well tried by the fielder of Kashmir United. Here is well tried by the fielder Fahad Zohar, but cannot take this catch. So the score is 20 without any loss. Saqib Pathan moves on 9. After 1 over, the score is 20 without any loss. Now 180 runs need Billy's Warriors. Now Zahid Rathi is the bowler. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Yasir Gojri. Oh, this is a great delivery by Zahid. Very good delivery by Zahid. This is quality delivery by Zahid. Dot delivery, no run. Here was the appeal, but cannot impress the umpire Kamran Bhatt. Score remains on 20. This is the second over of this evening. The target is 200 runs for Billy's Warriors. Now Zahid Ratir on his bowling mark to the batsman Yasir Gojri. Oh, this is a good shot and it is out. It is a wicket of Yasir Gojri. Very good ball by Zahid Ratir. Zahid Ratir takes his first wicket. This is first wicket for Kashmir United and the wicket of Yasir Gojri. This is a big wicket for Zahid Ratir. Billy's Warriors, they lost the wicket of Yasir Gojri. Big wicket. Now the score is 20 for the loss of 1. Here was Gohir, the fielder, taking a good catch of Yasir Gojri. Zahid Ratir takes his first wicket on his second delivery. The target is 200 runs for Billy's Warriors. A huge total given by Kashmir United. Very well marked play today by Fahad Zohar, Shakir Ahmad Rathar, Asif. This is a very good bowling by Bhatt Azu Kachuk Toka. Thank you Bhatt Sahab for joining us with this live stream. Share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is T20 Under-19 tournament played at Chukatulba ground. This is quarter final between the two teams. Billy's Warriors versus Kashmir United. And Billy's Warriors, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Saqib Gojri. Now Zahid Ratir on his bowling mark to the new batsman Sihu. But thank you Bhatt Sahab for your love and for your support. Thank you Bhatt Sahab. This is the Zahid to the new batsman. This is slow delivery but no run. Score remains on 20 for the loss of 1. This is the slow delivery by Zahid Ratir. 180 runs is needed for win this match. Billy's Warriors, if they want to stay in this match, they want a partnership here. Now Zahid Ratir to the batsman Sihu, the new batsman. Oh, this is a bounce delivery by Zahid Ratir. Great delivery by Zahid Ratir. Beat the batsman. But the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 21 for the loss of 1. But साहब आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए और आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Zahid Ratir on his bowling mark to the batsman Saqib Pathan. Zahid. There is some problem between यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए खेल को रोका जाएगा. Wani Faisal, be cool Kashmiri United boys. Yes, Wani Faisal loves Kashmiri United and cool. This is good suggestion for Kashmiri United. Be cool Kashmiri United boys. उनको एक cool cricket खेला होगा because they give the target of 200 runs. Now Zahid Ratir to Saqib Pathan. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire Kamran Bhatt. The score moves on 22 for the loss of 1. And also thank you Wani Faisal Sahab for your love to me. And keep share this live stream on my with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Zahid Ratir to the batsman Saqib Pathan. This is slower delivery but at the end very good fielding by the fielder. But cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves on 23 for the loss of 1. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है कश्मीर यूनाइटेड की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे चुकरतुलबा ग्राउंड में। खासकर फहद जोर ने एक अच्छी पारी का मुजाहरा दिखाया यहाँ पे। 19 runs knock, well played here, and I especially appreciate him. He played very well knock of 90. Now Zahid Rathar to the batsman Sihu. This is another slower delivery by Zahid Rathar. This is dot delivery here. Billy's Warriors, they are in hurry here. They not need to be hurry here. They need to be cool cricket here if they want to stay in this match, if they want to stay in this tournament, because this is a quarter final between the two teams. King Yawar, thank you King Yawar sir for your hi. Thanks for your love and keep support. Keep share this live stream on your WhatsApp group also. This is a very thankful to you King Yawar sir. Now Shahid Wani on his bowling mark to the batsman Saqib Pathan. Now Shahid Wani to the batsman Sihu. This is a good delivery by Shahid Wani. Another good delivery, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. Very good running between the wickets, between the two batsmen Saqib Pathan and Sihu. With this one, the score moves on 24 at the loss of 1. Now Shahid Wani to the batsman Saqib Pathan. Can these two batsmen take this? Oh, here is a chance, but at the end they miss this chance. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 25 runs for the loss of 1. This is a great bowling by Shahid Wani. Now Shahid Wani on his bowling mark to the batsman Sihu. Oh, here is another chance. Oh, very well tried by the fielder of Kashmir United. No runs, score remains at 25 for the loss of 1. Very well comeback by Shahid Wani in this over. पसंद में तू दिल में वार. Thank you. स्कोर कार्ड ठीक करो. स्कोर कार्ड के लिए आप स्कोर से रब्ता करें. उसके लिए सारी आप स्कोरर में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, you contact with scorer immediately. For this I am so sorry. So this is Shahid Wani to the batsman Sihu. Here is another chance at the end. This is a wicket. Oh, this is a good catch taken by the fielder. Very good catch taken by the fielder. This is end of the batsman Sihu. He lost his wicket. And please viewers, they lost their second wicket and they have only 25 runs on board. Very good bowling by Shahid Wani. And he takes his first wicket in the shape of Sihu. Saqib की रन सिहू को आती है. Now the batsman is out. Sorry, Saqib. Score push लगा score. Now the score on board is 25 for the loss of 2 wickets. Sorry, Sihu is not out. Saqib Pathan is out. Shahid Wani takes his first wicket. Now please viewers, they need a partnership here because they need 175 runs. Now the new batsman is Ahtisham Anjum is the new batsman for Billy's Warriors. Shahid Wani takes his first wicket. Very good bowling by Shahid Wani. Ahtisham Anjum, he is on the strike now. The new batsman. Oh, this is great delivery by Shahid Wani. Lovely delivery. This is quality delivery. Dot delivery. And beat the batsman. The score remains on 25 for the loss of 2. This is a great bowling here by Shahid Wani. And this is the last delivery of this over of Shahid Wani. Now Shahid Wani to the batsman Ahtisham. Very good delivery at the end. This is a 3 hours complete. The total score 25 on board and they lost 2 wickets. पसंद आई तो दिल में. थैंक यू भाई. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारा स्कोर कार्ड ठीक पहुंच पा रहा है. नाउ सोफी पशारत इज जॉइन विथ दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम वॉच. किसका है? थैंक यू सोफी पशारत फॉर watching this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Zahid Rathar is on bowling mark to the batsman Sihu. Ishfaqa? My ball. Zahid Rathar is the bowler. He take only 1 wicket. Zahid to the batsman Sihu. Sihu plays a shot here, and this is first 6 for Sihu, and with the 6 the score moves on 31, and Sihu moves on 7 runs. Here Belize Warriors, they need a partnership here. They need to be sitting here if they want to win this match, if they want to stay in this tournament. This is the quarter final between the two teams, Belize Warriors versus Kashmir United. The target is 200 runs for Belize Warriors. Amir Ehtisham gonna score big today. Thank you, Amir, for your love to Ehtisham. I am here, Ehtisham. Thank you, Amir Sah, for your support to Ehtisham. Sophie Basharat, all list send kar. Thank you, Sophie Basharat sir. Here I am with you. That is this is Zahid to the batsman Sihu. Sihu! This is huge 6 by Sihu. This is a good batting by Sihu. Very good batting here. And this is huge 6 by Sihu. 6 for Sihu. 6 for Belize Warriors. Belize Warriors, they need these kinds of shots here if they want to stay in this match, if they want to stay in this tournament. Now the score moves on 37 for the last of 2. Sophie Basharat at all list send कर बाद में क्या शो करूं. Thank you UG Umar, Kashmir United patient. Thank you Kashmir United for your love to Kashmir United, Umar Saab. Sophie Basharat, thank you. I will try my best, inshallah. I hope so. UG Umar, not nervous. Thank you UG Umar Saab for your love to Kashmir United. Today Kashmir United plays very well by bat, and they give the target of 200 runs to Belize Warriors. Belize Warriors, they lost their early 2 wickets. Now they need a partnership here. They need here big shots here if they want to stay in this match, if they want to stay in this tournament. That the team who win this match, that team qualify for semi-finals. Before this, the two teams, Tangmarg Blues and Chukkar Cricket Club, they also qualify for semi-final in this under-19 tournament. Wahid Bashir, nice. Thank you Wahid Bashir sir for your love, for your support. Yesterday you played also very well at Iqbal Memorial Chaksari ground. Congratulations to you also from me. Sophie Basharat, thank you Sophie Basharat for your love, and keep share this live stream with your friends. And you can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. The player Sihu plays a shot, but at the end ball जो है वो खो गई. यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा दिखाया. एक अच्छी शॉट खेली Sihu ने. This is a huge 6 by Sihu. Now they need only 163 runs in 88 deliveries. Tariq Dar, good, thank you. Tariq Dar, for your love, for your support. यहाँ पे थोड़ा खेल को रोका गया थोड़ी देर के लिए, क्योंकि बॉल जो है वो गुम हो गए यहाँ पे. Because Sihu plays a good shot here, huge 6 by the batsman Sihu. Hilal Khan, nice. Thank you Hilal Khan for joining us with this live stream. This is a T20 under-19 period at Chukkar ground. The two teams are Kashmir United versus Belize Warriors. First, village warriors, they win the toss and they decided to field first. After 18 hours, Kashmir United give the target of 200 runs. Very well knock played at Sham. Fahad Zoor knock of 90 runs, and Shakir Ahmad Mawli is also played very well knock of 38 runs, and Asif also plays very well here. But at the end, after 3.3 hours, the score for village warriors is 37 for the loss of 2 wickets. आज थोड़ा मौसम भी यहाँ पे थोड़ा गड़बड़ नज़र आ रहा है, क्या पता पूरा मैच हो जाए, तो इस थोड़ी देर के लिए मैच को रोका गया है क्योंकि बॉल जो है वो गुम हो गई है। Now the match starts again. बॉल गुम हुई थी इसलिए थोड़ी देर के लिए मैच को रोकना पड़ा. Now welcome again to this live broadcast. This is Zahid Rathir to the batsman Sihu. Very well six by Sihu. Zahid Rathir to the batsman Sihu. This is another shot, great shot, and this is a 4 for Sihu, 4 for Billy's Warriors. The score moves on 41 for the loss of 2. Here they should be play here cool and calm. Here they need a partnership here if they want to sit in this match, because they have a huge total of 200 runs need. Now Zahid Rathir to the batsman Sihu. Sihu is on 17. This is a great comeback by the bowler, and miss it, and this is not
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. 46 for 2. हाँ गिना क्यों ना होगा
Ehtisham to Sihu.
Ehtisham playing a shot for उर्दू बैठे करो इन बॉलर. जाहिद अपना एक ओवर और 4 बॉल डालकर जाहिद और एक बॉल करने के लिए सामना किया और एक डॉट गेंद, लेकिन अच्छी रन ले ली। रन आउट हो सकता था मगर पूरी कोशिश की बॉलर ने रन आउट होने की, लेकिन नाकाम रहे। इसी से टीम का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 47 फॉर 2 विकेट्स।
Now this is Zahid Rathar. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 47 for the loss of 2. इन दोनों टीमों को ख्याल रखना होगा डीएलएस का भी, क्योंकि मौसम जो है वो थोड़ा गड़बड़ में है इस वक्त। Zahid Rathar to the Sihu. Here is a good delivery. Oh, this is a big wicket for Kashmir United. The wicket of Sihu. Sihu lost his wicket. Very good bowling by Zahid Rathar. He takes the big wicket of Sihu. And this is the end of Sihu. Sihu lost his wicket and he make only 22 runs in 10 deliveries. This is a big wicket for Kashmir United. Wani Faisal, please maintain cooperation, boys. Thank you, Wani Faisal Saab, for your love to Kashmir United. This is a huge wicket, big wicket for Kashmir United. The wicket of Sihu. Now, please, viewers, they are in trouble. They lost their 3 wickets and they have only 47 runs on board. Beat Fayaz, nice. Thank you, Beat Fayaz, for watching this live stream, and thank you for joining us with this live stream. You can also support me on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now, the two teams are Belize Warriors versus Kashmiri United. Belize Warriors, they win the toss and they give back to Kashmir United. Very well knocked played by Fahad Zohar, Shakir Ahmad Wani, Asif, and they give a huge total 200 runs to Belize Warriors. After 4 hours, the score on board is only 47, but they lost 3 early wickets. Now the new bowler is Sahil. Sahil is the new bowler for Kashmiri United. आप तक हमारी आवाज और वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए. Now the new bowler is Sahil to the batsman Ehtisham. Oh, here is a chance of wicket, but at the end, very good fielding at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 48 for the loss of 3. Score कितना कर रहा है? The Ishfaq Bhatt, thank you Ishfaq Bhatt for joining us with this live stream. The score is target is 200 runs for Belize Warriors. Now 48 runs Belize Warriors make only, and they lost 3. Now they need 152 runs in 83 deliveries. Now Sahil on his bowling mark to the new batsman. Faizan, the lefty, is the new batsman. Oh, here's the chance. Oh, this is the wicket of Faizan, lefty. Very good catch taken by the fielder of Kashmir United. And Kashmir Belize Warriors, they are in trouble now. They lost their 4th wicket in the shape of Faizan, lefty loss. He goes on duck. Sahil takes his first wicket in the shape of Faizan, lefty. Very good catch taken by the fielder of Kashmir United. Here is the end of Faizan, lefty. The score on board is 48 for the loss of 4 after 4.2 hours. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है कश्मीर यूनाइटेड की पाइस की, क्योंकि एक अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड चुक्कर तुलबा ग्राउंड में. खासकर बॉलरों ने भी आज दिल जीत लिया अपने चाहने वालों के. नाउ द न्यू बैट्समैन ऑन क्रीज इज मिस्टर Yasir is the new batsman for Belize Warriors. Belize Warriors are in trouble here. They need here a partnership. They need big shots because they have good total, huge total of 200 runs. Now Sahil takes his first wicket in his first over. He's on his 3rd delivery. 82 deliveries, 152 run need. Oh, this is another good delivery by Sahil. Beat the batsman. No runs, score remains on 48 for the loss of 4. Now Sahil on his bowling mark to the batsman. Another good delivery by the batsman. This is another top delivery. No runs, score remains on 84. Wani Faisal, that is my boy. Well played, Sahil. Thank you. Wani Faisal Saab, for your love to Sahil, the bowler of Kashmir United. Sahil on his bowling mark to the batsman, but at the end very well played by the batsman, but very good fielding at the end. The two batsmen, here is yes no, but the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 49. Kashmiri United, they need to be cool here, they need to be calm here because they have good total here. This is another good shot played by the batsman Ehtisham Anjum. Ehtisham Anjum, this is first 4 for Ehtisham Anjum. With the score, the score moves on 53 runs for the loss of 4 after 5 hours. This is a big match between the two teams. Belize Warriors versus Kashmir United. This is quarter final. The two teams have already qualified for the semi-finals. Tangmark Blues, the big team of this tournament, and Chukar Cricket Club has also qualified for semi-finals. Now we will see which team qualified today for semi-finals. This will be seen in next. And tomorrow is also the good match between the two teams. Quarter final here played tomorrow, inshallah, of this tournament under 19. And that match will be live broadcast, inshallah, hope so, on my Facebook page Muhammad Anas bin Bilal, and on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. So this is the new bowler. Usaib is a new bowler for Kashmir United. Here Kashmir United, they need be calm, cool and calm cricket here, because they take their early 4 wickets for Belize Warriors, and Belize Warriors, they need to be stay here. They need a partnership here if they want to stay in this match, in this tournament. Now Usaib, the new bowler for Kashmiri United, to the batsman Yasir is on strike. Oh, time occurs right. Now Usaib on his bowling mark to the batsman Yasir Ahmed. Oh, this is great delivery, good delivery by the bowler Usaib, beat the batsman. Oh, this is a top delivery, no runs to score, remains on 53 for the loss of 4. Very good quality bowling by Usaib. Now Usaib on his bowling mark to the batsman Yasir Ahmed, the new batsman for Belize Warriors. This is a huge total given by Kashmiri United. Well knock played by Fahad Zoor. Oh, this is another good delivery. Beat the batsman Yasir Ahmed. This is another dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 53 for the loss of 4. This is a quarter final between the two teams. Belize Warriors versus Kashmir United. The team who win this match will qualify for semi-finals. It will be seen in next which team qualify for semi-finals. This is quarter final between the two teams. This is a do or die match here. Now Usaib to the batsman Yasir. This is another good delivery by Usaib, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 54 runs for the loss of 4. Belize Warriors, they lost their early 4 wickets. Now Usaib on his bowling mark to the batsman Ihtisham Anjum. Usaib to Ihtisham. Now this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Mirubad. The score moves on 55 for the loss of 4. Which team qualify for semi-finals? It will be seen in next. Now this is Usaib to the batsman Ihtisham Anjum. Here is a chance. Here is a chance. Oh, this is another wicket. Another catch taken by the fielder of Kashmiri United. Very good catch. Usaib takes his first wicket in the shape of Ihtisham Anjum, and this is the end of Ihtisham Anjum. He makes only 6 runs. Very good bowling by the bowlers of Kashmir United. Now the score is 55 on board, and they lost 5 wickets. Ishfaq Bhatt, way to quality ठीक करो. Thank you Ishfaq Bhatt sahab for your suggestion. Thank you Ishfaq sahab. And keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. The new batsman for Belize Warriors is Abid Sufi is the new batsman for Belize Warriors. Here well bowling by Usaib. He take his wicket. Usaib to the batsman Abid Sufi. Oh, this is another good delivery by bowler Usaib. Beat the batsman. Dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 55 for the loss of 5. Wani Faisal, love my boys, and Wani Faisal love Kashmiri United. क्यों ना हो, क्योंकि आज अच्छी यहाँ पे एक और चांस. Oh, this is a very good catch by the fielder, and this is another wicket. The wicket of Akif Sofi, he goes on duck. Not good played by the batsman of Belize Warriors. आज निराश किया अपने चाहने वालों को Belize Warriors ने. आज टॉस जीतकर पहले फील्डिंग का निर्णय किया. After 18 hours the score target given by Kashmir United. Very huge total of 200 runs. Very well luck play today by Fahad Zoor, and he take also a good catch here. Now Usef, he take his second wicket. Very good bowling by Usef. The score on 55 for the loss of 6. Now they need 145 runs in 72 deliveries, and they have only 4 wickets in hand. Wani Faisal, that is the game, well played. And this is the love from Wani Faisal to the team Kashmir United. आज क्यों ना हो, क्योंकि आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे कश्मीर यूनाइटेड ने, खासकर बैटिंग से भी और बॉलिंग से भी और फील्डिंग से भी आज अपने चाहने वाले को खुश कर दिया कश्मीर यूनाइटेड ने. Especially now the batsman is Nadeem Nazir is the new batsman on strike. यहाँ पे दोनों टीमों को डीएलएस का भी ख्याल रखना होगा. Wani Faisal, thank you for joining us with this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilas. Right now the score is 55 on board, and they lost 6 wickets after 6 overs. Now Sahil comes to bowl to the new batsman Yasir. Here is a wide delivery by Sahil. This is wide. Here Kashmiri unit need to come here, cool cricket here, because they have on driving seat. Sahil to the batsman Yasir Ahmed. This is another good delivery by Sahil. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 56 runs for the loss of 6. Wani Faisal. Only 2 wickets and game is over. Thank you, Wani Faisal Saab, for your love to. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. This is 6 for the batsman Yasir Ahmed. And 6 for Belize Warriors. With the 6, the score moves on 68 runs for the loss of 6. यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है बिलीज वॉरियर्स को, और दोनों टीमों को ख्याल रखना है डीएलएस का भी. अगर मौसम खराब हुआ तो डीएलएस का भी ख्याल रखना होगा इस मैच में. Now we can see this Kashmir United is on the driving seat here. This is another good delivery, but at the end missed by Sahil bowler. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 63 for the loss of 6. Now Nadeem Nazir on strike. The new batsman for Belize Warriors. Sahil to the batsman. Oh, here is a appeal for a cut, but at the end this is a great keeping here by the keeper of Kashmir United, but at the end very good delivery by Sahil. Beat the batsman. Score remains on 63 for the loss of 3. 6 wickets, sorry. Now this is Sahil to the batsman. Oh, beat the batsman. Very good bowling by Sahil. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है कश्मीर यूनाइटेड, because they played very well knock here. They play with very well with ball also. Here is a shot played by the batsman, but a single. With the single the score. यहाँ पे सिर्फ सिंगलों की दरकार नहीं है, यहाँ पे छक्के और चौकों की दरकार है, और एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है बिलीज वॉरियर्स को. अगर इस मैच में, अगर इस टूर्नामेंट में बने रहना है, because this is quarter final between the two teams, Kashmir United versus Belize Warriors. Today Kashmir United plays very well cricket here at Chukatul Bagh ground. Very well disciplined, incredible cricket here played today. Now the new batsman is on strike. The batsman plays a shot here. Very good fielding at the end. The two batsmen take a single. Usef is on his bowling mark. यहाँ पे एक रन उसे कुछ नहीं चलेगा, सिंगल उसे कोई काम नहीं बनेगा. यहाँ पे चाहिए छक्के चौके, क्योंकि स्कोर जो है huge total given by the team Kashmir United. Now Usef to the batsman. Here is a shot played by the batsman Yasir Ahmed, and this is the 4 for Yasir, 4 for Belize Warriors. The score moves on 69 for the loss of 6. यहाँ दोनों टीमों को डीएलएस का भी ख्याल रखना होगा. Now Usef on his bowling mark to the batsman Yasir Ahmed. This is a chance here, but at the end there is a good fielding at the end. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves on 70 for the loss of 6. Now they need 130 runs in 63 deliveries, but they have only 4 wickets in hand. Now Usef, एक रन उसे यहाँ पे काम नहीं चलेगा. यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए तो छक्के और चौके चाहिए इन बल्लेबाजों को. Usef to the batsman. Oh, beat the batsman Yasir. Nadeem Nazir. Very good delivery by Usaif. The score remains on 70 for the loss of 6. Usaif on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Nazir. Usaif to the batsman Nadeem. This is slower delivery. Here the batsman plays a shot at the end. This is 6 for Nadeem Nazir. 6 for Belize Warriors. They need these kinds of shots here if they want to give the target here, if they want to stay in this match, if they want to stay in this tournament. They need big sixes or shots here, and they have only 4 wickets in hand. And Kashmir United, they need to be cool here. Usaif to the batsman Nadeem Nazir. Oh, this is another shot played by the batsman, but well tried by the fielder. Cannot stop this ball. This is 4 for the batsman, 4 for the Nadeem Nazir. The score moves on 80 for the loss of 6 after 8 overs. Now there is IPL. This is a no ball given by the umpire, and also the score moves on 81. Sahil to the batsman. Oh, here is chance. Oh, this is a wicket, but this is no ball. Very well the catch taken by the end, but this is no ball at the end. The score moves on 82 for 6. Nadeem Nazir on strike. Sahil on his bowling mark. Oh, beat the batsman Nadeem Nazir. Very good delivery by Sahil. The score remains on 82. This is the big match between the two teams. Belize Warriors versus Kashmiri United. Now Sahil to the batsman. The batsman plays a shot, but at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 83 runs. Here the two batsmen, they need huge shots here, big shots here, if they want to stay in this match, in this tournament. This is wide given by the umpire, and extra runners in the shape of byes. The score moves on 85 for the loss of 6. Now Sahil to the... Oh, this is a chance. This is a chance. And this is a wicket for Sahil. Very good catch taken by the fielder of Kashmiri United. And the wicket of Nadeem Nazir. Sahil takes the Nadeem Nazir's wicket. He moves on 13. And this is the end of Nadeem. Now, Belize Warriors, they lost the wicket of Nadeem Nazir. Sahil takes his second wicket. Very good bowling by Sahil. 85 only on board. And they lost early 7 wicket. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है कश्मीरी यूनाइटेड की प्लेयरों की, क्योंकि आज अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ करतलबाग ग्राउंड में. बैटिंग से भी अपनी टीम को, अपने चाहने वालों को खुश किया, बॉलिंग से भी आज चाहने वालों को खुश किया, और अपनी फील्डिंग से भी आप Now the new batsman is on crease. Akib Rabada is the new batsman for Belize Warriors. Now Kashmiri United, they need only 3 wickets to win this match and qualify for semi-finals. Can they take these early 3 wickets for this win? Can they qualify in semi-finals? Now the new batsman is Akib Rabada on strike. Very good bowling by Sahil. He takes his second wicket, and it is his third over. Only given 20 runs. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 विकेट दरकार है अपनी जीत के लिए, क्वालिफाई करने के लिए, सेमीफाइनल्स में क्वालिफाई करने के लिए. आज बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे कश्मीरी यूनाइटेड ने. Now Sahil to the new batsman Akib Rabada. Akib Rabada plays a shot, but at the end very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. Akib Rabada opens his account with the single. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 और 2 रन से काम नहीं चलेगा. यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए तो छक्के और चौके चाहिए. Now Sahil to the batsman. This is a good shot played by the batsman Yasir Ahmad. This is 4 for Yasir, 4 for Belize Warriors. The score moves on 90 for the loss of 7. After 9 hours. Now Kashmir United, they need only 3 wickets to win to qualify in semi-finals. Today the batsman Fahad Zoor plays a very well knock of 90 runs in just 50 deliveries. Now Sahil The new bowler is on his bowling mark to the batsman. Fazil 33 is the new bowler for Kashmiri United. Akib Rabada on strike. Oh, this is good shot at the end. Oh, this is the cut of Akib Rabada. Very well catch taken by the fielder of Kashmiri United. And this is end of Akib Rabada. He moves on 1 run only. The cut of Akib Rabada taken by Fazil 33. This is first wicket for Fazil. And Billys Warriors, they lost their 8th wicket. Now, Kashmiri United, they need only 2 wickets for qualifying in semi-finals. Very well bowling by the bowlers of Kashmiri United. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है कश्मीर यूनिटी के बाइस की. यहाँ पे थोड़ा मौसम भी खराब होने लगा है, लेकिन टीएलएस के हिसाब से आज अगर हम देखा जाए इस मैच में तो कश्मीरी यूनिटेड दे आर ऑन ड्राइविंग सीट. वानी फैसल, thanks for your love to Kashmiri United. Now the new batsman on strike. Faizan Sob is the new batsman for Billys Warriors. It is not good cricket played by Billys Warriors. आज निराश किया अपने चाहने वालों को आज Billys Warriors ने, क्योंकि आज बॉलिंग में भी अच्छी खासी पिटाई पड़ी आज Billys Warriors को. Now Faisal 33 on his bowling mark to the batsman. New batsman Faizan Sob is on strike. यहाँ पे बारिश भी चल रही है इस वक्त. सिर्फ 2 विकेट चाहिए इस जीत को दर्ज करने में. This is good shot played by the batsman Faizan Sob, but at the end he opens his account with this single. The score moves on 91. यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए तो छक्के और चौके चाहिए, और अगर यहाँ पे जीत चाहिए कश्मीरी यूनाइटेड को, they need 2 wickets to win this match. Only 2 wickets चाहिए. This is a good delivery. This is a very good delivery. Very good appeal at the end, but cannot impress the umpire Ishfaq Ahmed. He refuses this appeal. Now they need 109 runs. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Because this is quarter-final. Who team qualify for semi-finals? At this time, driver seat on Kashmiri United. They need to be cool here. They need to be calm here. Now Faisal 33 to the batsman Faizan Sob on strike. यहाँ पे 2 विकेट दरकार है अपनी जीत को दर्ज करने के लिए. सेमीफाइनल्स में सीट बनाने में 2. Now they need 1 wicket. This is a no ball. Sorry for this. This is a no ball given by the umpire Ishfaq Ahmed. Sorry here. I am very sorry for this. Now Kashmiri United, they need 2 wickets here for win this match. This is Faizan. This is wide given by the umpire Ishfaq. The score moves on 94 runs. Kashmiri United, they are on driving seat here because they played very well in batting, in bowling, in fielding. This is a good delivery by Faisal 33. But the batsman take a single. This single, the score moves 95. यहाँ पे छक्के और चौके दरकार है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है, अगर कुछ जादू दिखाना है यहाँ पे Billys Warriors को. And Kashmir United, they need only 2 wickets for qualify in semi-finals. Already 2 teams are qualified. Tangmark Billys. This is the wicket, and now they need only 1 wicket for qualify in semi-finals. Very good bowling by the bowler Faisal 33, and he takes the wicket of Mudassir. Mudassir lost his wicket on duck. 94 on board. 9 wickets fell on 94 runs. Now Kashmiri United on our fully driving seat. They need 1 wicket to qualify in semi-finals. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है आज कश्मीर यूनाइटेड की, because they played very well today with bat, with ball, with fielding. They played very decent and impressive cricket here at Chukkartulbagh ground. This is a T20 under-19 tournament played at Chukkartulbagh ground. The 2 teams are Billys Warriors versus Kashmir United. First Billys Warriors, they win the toss and they give bat to Kashmir United. But very good total given by the batsman, by the team of Kashmir United. Huge total given, 200 runs given total to Billys Warriors. At the end, after 10 hours, the score on board is 94 for the loss of 9. Now, this is the last pair, and Kashmiri United, they are on driving seat. Now they need only 1 wicket to qualify in semi-finals. This will be seen. Who take this win? Now the new bowler is Arif Farooq is on bowling mark. This is a huge six by the batsman, but at the end, here is no hurry for Kashmiri United because they are on driving seat here. This is a Yasir Ahmed. Plays a very well shot for six. The score moves on 100. This is 100 up for Billy's Villiers. Fazil, congratulations my team Kashmiri United. Thank you Fazil for your love to Kashmiri United. This is Arif. Oh, here is another shot played by the batsman. This is another 4 for the batsman Yasir and another 4 for Kashmiri Billy's Villiers. यहाँ पे अगर चाहे एक विकेट दरकार है कश्मीरी यूनाइटेड को अपनी जीत को दर्ज करने में, इस सेमीफाइनल में दर्ज जगह बनाने में एक विकेट दरकार है।
यहाँ पर बहुत ही बड़ा शॉट, फील्डर नीचे था लेकिन मिस करेंगे बॉल को। अब एक विकेट चाहिए जीत के लिए। यहाँ पर बहुत ही बड़ा मुकाबला था, यहाँ पर सेमीफाइनल्स में जगह बनाने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला यहाँ पर दो टीम्स के बीच। अब जो बॉलिंग वाली टीम है उसको चाहिए एक विकेट और वो अपनी जगह बना लेगी। यहाँ पर फील्डर खड़े हैं लेकिन बॉल फील्डर के ऊपर से जाएगी 6 रन के लिए। बहुत ही बड़ा मुकाबला यहाँ पर, बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला है यहाँ पर, लेकिन एक ही विकेट बचा है तो एक विकेट चाहिए बॉलों को कि वो जीत के लिए। बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला यहाँ पर। अनदर शॉर्ट बॉल, बट इस बार लंबा खेलना चाहते थे लेकिन मिस करेंगे। ये थे यासिर अहमद जिसने अपनी टीम के लिए 37 रन्स बनाए हैं। बहुत ही अच्छा क्रिकेट यहाँ पर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड और ब्लेज वॉरियर्स के बीच। ब्लेज वॉरियर्स को बस एक विकेट बचे है खाते में और कश्मीर यूनाइटेड जो कि डोमिनेंट टीम है अभी तक। बहुत ही अच्छे प्लेयर्स, अच्छे टैलेंटेड प्लेयर्स, यंग। नाउ इज अ न्यू बैटर मुदस्सिर आरिफ फारूक का सामना करेंगे। आरिफ फारूक, अगर हम पिछले मैच की बात करें तो आरिफ फारूक जिसने बहुत ही अच्छी इनिंग्स खेली थी कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के लिए। नाउ ब्लेज वॉरियर्स के पास एक ही विकेट बचा है और बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट है यहाँ पर, बहुत ही उम्दा शॉट। लॉन्ग स्टॉप की तरफ बॉल जाएगी 4 रन के लिए। नाउ अब मुदस्सिर है और एक प्लेयर है यहाँ पर जो कि अच्छी तरह खेल रहे हैं लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेट फॉर देम ये लास्ट विकेट है। और एक शॉट यहाँ पर डीप कवर की तरफ, डीप यहाँ पर कवर, यहाँ पर पॉइंट पे फील्डर खड़े थे लेकिन बॉल अपनी दिशा ढूंढेगी 4 रन के लिए। ये यहाँ पर हमारे साथ सोहेब सोफी जुड़े हैं, बहुत ही शुक्रिया आपका जुड़ने के लिए। सलाम का जवाब करेंगे हम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम पंजीपुरा से। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम यार। यासिर अहमद एंड मुदस्सिर जो कि क्रीज पे है। यासिर अहमद के पास क्षमता है 6 मारने के लिए। 45 पे अभी ओवर पिच गेंद यहाँ पर धकेल दी लॉन्ग ऑन की तरफ। हाँ धकेल दी। यहाँ पर 5वीं गेंद फेंकेंगे आरिफ। वाइड गेंद पीछे, थर्डमैन खड़े हैं, अच्छी तरह रोक लेंगे बॉल को। कीपर मिस करेंगे लेकिन थर्डमैन कोई गलती नहीं करेंगे। यहाँ पर कोई रनिंग नहीं। यहाँ पर यासिर अहमद और मुदस्सिर की पार्टनरशिप की बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पर यासिर अहमद का बड़ा रोल रहा है। यासिर अहमद ने अपनी टीम के लिए 49 रन बनाए हैं। अब 1 रन चाहिए उसको अपनी 50 कंप्लीट करने के लिए। आरिफ जो कि अपनी लास्ट गेंद करेंगे अपने ओवर की। यहाँ पर ये 12वां ओवर करते हुए आरिफ नजर आ रहे हैं। और वाइट बॉल लेकिन इस बार ये टच यहाँ पर अपना ओवर कंप्लीट करेंगे डॉट बॉल से आरिफ। यहाँ पर बारिश भी थोड़ी सी दिखने को मिल रही है, बहुत ही ठंड। ऐसे कश्मीर यूनाइटेड यहाँ पर अपनी जीत की तरफ जाते हुए एक विकेट चाहिए उनको और वो जीत हासिल करेंगे और सेमीफाइनल्स में क्वालिफाई करेंगे। गुलाम नबी थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। जिया फयाज भाई ऐसे सलाम नहीं करते, सीधा लिखना होता है अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। कीप शेयरिंग दिस नाउ एज अ लास्ट विकेट। अगर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड को ये लास्ट विकेट मिलेगा तो अपनी जीत अपनी जीत हासिल करेंगे सेमीफाइनल के लिए। बहुत ही छोटा प्लेयर, यंग प्लेयर देखने को मिल रहा है हमें मुद्दस्सिर, यहाँ पर कप्तान है इस टीम के ब्लेज वॉरियर्स के। बहुत ही उम्दा बॉलिंग यहाँ पर। अगर आप बात करें बॉलर की, लंबे रन के साथ आ रहे हैं, दूसरी गेंद फेंकेंगे अपने ओवर की। यहाँ पर पीछे फील्ड रहते अच्छी तरह फील्ड करेंगे। यहाँ पर यासिर अहमद रन के लिए भाग रहे थे लेकिन मुद्दस्सिर साहब ने साफ मना कर दिया इधर। यहाँ पर बहुत ही बड़ा मुकाबला ब्लेज वॉरियर्स और कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के बीच। यहाँ पर अपनी तीसरी गेंद फेंकेंगे उसैब और बहुत ही अच्छी तरह स्टॉप करेंगे और इस बार रन आउट का चांस है लेकिन यहाँ पर पॉइंट पे फील्डर खड़े थे, बॉल को मिस करेंगे और इस टाइम दो बैट्समैन एक रन चुराने में कामयाब। अब साहिल डार, थैंक यू। एक रन, एक विकेट चाहिए यहाँ पर। the ball find the gap and it'll move forward. यहाँ पर मुद्दस्सिर यासिर अहमद के लिए 50 है, अपनी टीम के लिए चांद की बाजी खेल रहे हैं। बहुत ही उम्दा शॉट। बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला यहाँ पर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड और ब्लेज वॉरियर्स के बीच। अब यासिर अहमद खड़े हैं क्रीज में जो कि अच्छी तरह अपने कदम जमा रहे हैं। इस बार फील्डर नीचे है, देखेंगे पकड़ा है यहाँ पर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड के लिए विन है। बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला यहाँ पर। कश्मीर वॉरियर्स ने अपनी जगह बना ली है। यहाँ पर बैट्समैन जाने को जा रहे थे अपने पेविलियन की ओर लेकिन यहाँ पर थोड़ा प्लॉट से छक्के के लिए गेंद जाएगी। यहाँ पर बाउंड्री टच की है फील्डर ने। यहाँ पर कैच तो पकड़ा था लेकिन उधर फील्डर खड़े थे, कैच तो पकड़ा था लेकिन बाउंड्री टच किए थे। यहाँ पर कोई विकेट नहीं मिलेगा कश्मीर यूनाइटेड को। अब 32 बॉल्स पे 71 रन चाहिए। यहाँ पर बाउंड्री टच की थी फील्डर ने, कैच तो पकड़ा था लेकिन बाउंड्री भी टच की थी तो ये छक्का माना जाएगा। अब बस 71 रन लेफ्ट है।
135 Aktrabad concert.
And now जहाँ पर प्लॉट था यहाँ पर छक्का जड़ा है वो यासिर अहमद ने। बहुत ही उम्दा पारी यहाँ पर मुद्दस्सिर के ओर, यासिर ना उससे बॉलिंग मार्क पे और स्टॉप करेंगे गेंद को अच्छी तरह। This is the big battle between Blaze Warriors and Kashmir United. There's a big battle between Kashmir United versus Blaze Warriors. It's Yassir Ahmad on the crease, standing tall for his team. अब एक ही विकेट चाहिए कश्मीर यूनाइटेड को ये जीत के लिए। It's Yassir Ahmad standing tall for his team. Again he plays it big, smash it over the final leg for 6. यहाँ पर अंपायर 10 बॉल डिक्लेयर करेंगे। बहुत ही बड़ा मुकाबला यहाँ पर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड और ब्लेज वॉरियर्स के बीच। यहाँ पर डेड बॉल डिक्लेयर करेंगे इशफाक अहमद जो कि बेहतरीन अंपायर है चुक करके। यहाँ पर प्लॉट ट्विस्ट देखने को मिलेगा हमें। बहुत ही उम्दा मुकाबला यहाँ पर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड वर्सेस ब्लेज वॉरियर्स। जो भी जीत लेगा वो अपनी जगह बना लेगा सेमीफाइनल्स में। बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला यहाँ पर कश्मीर यूनाइटेड वर्सेस ब्लेज वॉरियर्स। इट्स अ ग्रेट बैटल। अगर हम बात करें यासिर अहमद की जो कि अपना पूरा दे रहे हैं अपनी टीम को जितवाने के लिए, अपनी जगह बनाने के लिए सेमीफाइनल्स में, बट देयर इज ओनली वन विकेट लेफ्ट। यहाँ पर एक ही विकेट चाहिए कश्मीर यूनाइटेड को अपनी जगह बनाने के लिए सेमीफाइनल्स में। बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी। यहाँ पर अगर हम कमेंट्स की बात करें तो जिया फयाज, गुलाम नबी फाजिल हमारे साथ जुड़े रहे हमारे साथ, और ये लाइव स्ट्रीम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें, और सपोर्ट भी चाहिए आप लोगों का, और हम आपको ये टूर्नामेंट दिखाएंगे पूरा इंशाल्लाह, और पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए हमें तुम्हारा। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। यहाँ पर हल्की फुल्की सी बारिश दिखने को मिल रही है हमें। यहाँ पर डीएलएस मेथड भी है इस टूर्नामेंट में, तो डीएलएस मेथड भी डिसाइड कर सकता है कि किसकी जीत है किसकी हार है। यहाँ पर अगर हम बात करें यासिर अहमद की जो कि अभी बैटर है ब्लेज वॉरियर्स की, जो कि अब अंपायर डिक्लेयर करेंगे कि ये पैड पे लगी है गेंद। यहाँ पर टीम कह रही है कि बैट पे लगी है, लेकिन अंपायर साफ नकारा कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं पेड़ पे लगी है गेंद। यहाँ पर फिर टूर्नामेंट खेला जा रहा है। इशफाक अहमद अंपायर जो कि जाने माने अंपायर है चुका के। यहाँ पर बहुत ही अच्छा मुकाबला कश्मीर यूनाइटेड और ब्लेज वॉरियर्स के बीच। एक अच्छा मुकाबला। यहाँ पर अगर हम एनालिसिस की बात करें तो डीएलएस मेथड भी है। यहाँ पर डीएलएस मेथड डिसाइड करेगा किसकी विन है अगर बारिश होगी। यहाँ पर अंपायर्स के बीच मशवरा चल रहा है। इस बीच देखेंगे कि क्या होगा। यहाँ पर टीम ने पूरी तरह अपना रोल निभाया, कह रहे हैं बैट पे लगी है, लेकिन अंपायर से डिक्लेयर किया कि ये पेड़ पे लगी है गेंद। देखेंगे कि अंपायर अपना डिसीजन बदलेंगे या फिर अपने डिसीजन पे बने रहेंगे। कश्मीर यूनाइटेड यहाँ पर जीत है एंड अपनी जगह बना लिया सेमीफाइनल्स के लिए। अंपायर ने यहाँ पर डिसीजन अपना वापस लिया, आउट डिक्लेयर करा। जो भी हमारे साथ जुड़ा है, थैंक यू। आप सब लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ, और आगे भी हमारे साथ बने रहे, जुड़े रहे हमारे साथ। थैंक यू। चलो अल्लाह हाफिज।
So this is a win for Kashmir United and they qualify for semi-finals in this T20 Under-19 tournament. Here is win for Kashmir United. Very well played. The two teams Kashmir United versus Belize. The two teams plays very well cricket here at Chukatulba ground. So this is a win for Kashmir United and they qualify for semi-finals in this tournament T20 Under-19. So this is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.